Alright viewers, so the moment we all been waiting for, it's time to install the hard drive. Alright, this is our 1 terabyte hard drive. This is made by Westinghouse. First things first, you want to remove a holding assembly by sliding it forward and turning it. As you can see, this is where the hard drive goes. So first things first, slide this right on in there. Make sure it fits perfectly. Once you do that, you just have to connect it. So we're going to connect it right here. Once this is connected, Alright, and now it is fixed to the proper position. Now that we installed the hard drive, in our next tutorial, we're actually going to install the DVD and Blu-ray drive.